with the new hands-full door lock from Brinks Push-Pull-Rotate. It's easier than ever for anyone in your home to open any door with a simple push, a pull, or a traditional turn, making it perfect for all the overloaders in your life. Not to mention the goo monsters, grill meisters, baby valets, and party hosts. If you want the perfect design to match your unique style, we make that easy as well. Now you can enjoy secure, easy access to all your exterior and interior doors. Welcome to a better way of getting around your home with Brinks Push-Pull-Rotate.